Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna check out the Governor Parapon Judge Head, which is a 1/24th scale plastic model kit from Hexagear. This is the instruction manual, and here is the color guide. Unfortunately, people, we don't get archive card again, so kind of disappointing. I feel like at this point we should get an archive card for every kit. What do you guys think? Alright, this is the Judge Head, and first impression, it looks pretty good. Loving all the details, and this is actually a variation of the armor type Knight, Nero, and Bianco. Everything looks about the same except for some of the accessories. So here you go, Nero and Bianco. Now in terms of color, it actually shares the same color scheme as the Parapon Sentinel, just different shades of gray. And this guy right here, it comes with a smaller axe compared to the Judge Head, which is a larger axe. We're gonna check out the accessories in a little bit, but overall I like it, partly because I don't have one of those armor type Knight. And here's the mount, not sure what to do with it. And this is the axe, lots and lots of details, loving the grooves over here. So this is a really great weapon in my opinion. And of course you get the helmet from the armor type Knight, the shoulder armors, which is from again the armor type Knight. For the Judge Head, you actually get the bigger ones. And for the body parts, as usual, they would give you the 1.0 that you can just fit right into the top area, the pelvic and the butt guard right here. And here are the shoes, nothing special, the same kind as the Sentinel. And of course you've got your usual 3 pairs of hand, the close grip hand and the open type hand, as well as the weapon holding hands. Now there's this pin right here, which I think we can do something with it later. And for this mount, you can actually put it to the forearm. Now in terms of the height, they are almost the same. I kind of wish that the Judge Head is a little bit bigger. This is the common issue when it comes to plastic model kits or action figures. They don't really have differences in the height, right? So the head is new, kind of looks like an executioner, and you can just rotate it back and forth all around. Yeah, pretty much nothing new to this. And let's take a look at the arm. You can rotate it all around, but kind of disappointing, of course, the hand. This is not something new, but the large shoulder armor, it's stopping this guy to have a smooth movement. And you have this new chest part or piece that you didn't get from the armor type Knight. So this is just connected by a peg right here. And what else? You can turn the body all around, connected by a ball joint, upper and lower torso. And here's the belt buckle, which is kind of weird. And of course, with the guard, the pelvic guard, it's a little bit hard to move forward and backward. But as usual guys, you can turn all around. And here is the knee, hinge joint, upper and lower knees, as well as a very limited movement for the feet. So I'm gonna take it out for you guys and check out all the ball joints connected on the arm. You can actually move back and forth, and I think I will change this out. We're gonna put the smaller shoulder armor, which is actually what you get from the Bianco and Nero. Again, the hand guys, I kind of wish that they changed the ball joint to maybe a pin, right? A pin joint. So this is the smaller armor, which allows you to make a wider range of movement. So you just snap it up and here you go. This is a T-pose. Let's see, I think it looks pretty good. And we're just gonna snap the rest of these parts to the body. This is about $20 US, pretty average price. This is one of the latest kit, and we're gonna take this part out. So this is what you can do with the pelvic guard. You can actually convert it to a shield and attach it to the mount. And this is a little bit hard to take it out, but it's all good. Look at this thing right here. And again guys, I really enjoy this build. If you have the Nero and Bianco, this is probably not something new, but for me it's new, it's fun. So we can just snap this belt buckle back to the waist area, and here you go. Let's see, let's check this out. I'm gonna put this back on. This is highly articulated, I think about 30 points of articulation. Let's change up the helmet. I'm kind of glad that they provide you with two different types of helmets. Check this out. So you can pose, you can take pictures, you can play with it, but I just don't get some of these holes right here. Like, what should you do with this? Here's the shield, just like the Sentinel, which comes with a shield. So we're gonna attach this thing to the forearm. Pretty easy, just snap it on. Okay, looking good. What else can we do with this guy? Here is the axe. I think they call this the ruler. Huge axe, looks awesome. You can just hold it like this. I have lots of fun building this kit. Again, highly recommended. And now this is the interesting part. So for the Nero and Bianco, you can actually attach it to a larger shield, which doesn't come with this guy. Now, what can we do with this? For the Nero and Bianco, you can actually put it on the belt. Okay, or here, but let's not go over there. So there are a couple of ways that we can do this. We can put it on the side, and I guess you can use this to hold the axe, right? There is actually, oh my goodness, the hand again. So you can actually use this to hold the axe. Ta-da! Does it look weird? Yes, you can do it this way. Or what else can we do? Let's check this out. I think we can actually use the pin that I showed you guys earlier. Over here, this is 3mm holes. Let's try this. So we can put it to the back, and usually you can put a stand to the back. I think this looks much better. What do you guys think? Alright, so highly articulate. Oh my goodness. I think this is the third time. Do you guys have any comments about these silly hands. Let's put back the bucket hat or head. So yeah guys, if you're looking to shop for some of these hexagear kits, you can go to HobbyLink Japan, and I make lots and lots of videos on hexagear. You can check out my channel. And of course guys, really appreciate your support for this channel, so make sure you like, share and subscribe. I've got a lot more hexagear videos for you guys. Yeah, I think that's it for today, people. I hope you enjoy this review video, and if you do, share it with your friends. You know what to do, people. I will see you the next time. We're gonna check out a couple of the weapon assortment pack. That should be pretty fun. I'm gonna show you a couple of the limited edition governors. Until next time, you guys, governors, thank you so much for watching. Ciao.